Look at her. I mean, you got to admit, this thing looks good. Whatever wifey does, I mean, she's keeping this thing really nice. I think I have a little something to do with it. I mean, I want to keep it in good shape, but I got to give it to her. She keeps it very, very nice. So, go wifey. Welcome back, guys. Chris here, SoCal Auto. So I got an empty shop you can see behind me. Well, except for my car, this beautiful, sleek, little sexy 2002 Honda Accord. So we're gonna do an oil change on it, and I wanna show you guys how we do that here. First, we start with everything under the hood. So any fluids that need to be topped off, changed, any filters, belts, hoses, maybe plugs, wires, a battery. We got a battery we can check. So I'm gonna check all this stuff out first before we lift the car to change the oil. We need to pull that drain plug, get all the oil out of it. Then we're gonna pull that filter and put on a new one. So I got the oil draining behind me. Now I'm gonna look at everything else underneath the car. So that includes any kind of steering, suspension, other engine components, exhaust stuff. I'm looking for anything that's leaking, broken, hanging off, and then we'll give it attention. I mean, just look at these things. These are beautiful. So next, we gotta check tire pressure. So here we are, back down on the ground. I'm gonna do some last final checks. Of course, I'm gonna put some oil in it now. Double check that level, and this thing should be good to go.